In 2024, at the Global Humane Conservation Fund of Africa, we completed our very first rhino translocation. We are so proud to have teamed up with WeWild Africa to support African Park's mission to rewild over 2,000 southern white rhinos over the next 10 years. Together, we translocated a group of rhinos to Dinner King Game Reserve in the Gauteng region of South Africa. Rhino translocations are a vital conservation strategy aimed at securing the future of one of Africa's most iconic species. While the outcome, a rhino roaming safely in a new reserve, may seem straightforward, the process is complex. It requires months of meticulous planning, cutting-edge veterinary techniques, and seamless team collaboration. We were delighted to have our 2 rhino champions through our youth development program, Greening Young Futures, join us for this specific translocation. This was the first opportunity that Aneli and Chachu had to gain hands-on experience with big animals like rhinos. Aneli and Chachu will go back to their homes with a life-changing experience to talk about and be empowered to serve in their role as rhino ambassadors within their communities. Through supporting this mission to rewild 2,000 rhinos across the African continent, we are helping to diversify the gene pool of rhinos in various countries, as well as ensure a future for this endangered species which has come under threat from poaching so severely in the last decade and a half. Despite the challenges, each successful translocation represents a step forward in the fight to protect rhinos from poaching and habitat loss. As keystone species, their presence supports entire ecosystems. By translocating rhinos to safer, well-managed reserves, conservationists are not only securing the future of this species, but also preserving the balance of the habitats they inhabit. At the Global Humane Conservation Fund of Africa, we understand that in order to achieve conservation success, it has to be a collaborative effort. And we are so proud of our partnerships with organizations like WeWild Africa and African Parks, which aligns with our mission to protect, conserve, and rewild Africa's wildlife and wilderness.